Ciao, blenders. This is Lucia Sinatra and this channel is about craziness and colors. Subscribe right now for the crazy review. We will do this makeup look, swatches of the AMREZY palette. Doo-doo. Let's start with 1988. Samsa. Okay, I'm still not convinced about my background here. This is my vanity and I think I have too much mirrors. So let me know if you like my background like this or if you prefer a total white background. I'm still using Samsa. Hugo. This is my first palette ever of Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I have to say that the pigment, though, I didn't waste my money. I feel the power of makeup coming. Let's blend it above. When I do my glam, I feel like I am in a totally different place on earth. I am in my inner space and it's like yoga. Take your time because you have to blend a lot. Wasted. As I used to say, if you see any wrinkles or any fine lines, it's because I have it. So I have thousands of years of experience about makeup. Hugo, again. I like to use the eyeshadow till this point here, just to create a deep cat eye, very elegant and bold. Let's create a shadow here. Lemonade from Benefit to cut my crease. Don't put your head down when you're doing a cut crease. Just keep your eyes open because the mistake can be near the corner. Let's avoid any crease with Wasted. Let's start to play with AMREZY. Wow. Let's try Barb on the lid. I prefer to apply directly with my finger. It's very glittery and easy to apply. I'm going to use the Scarlet Star purple liner. Pop of color. If you love colors like me, blend like now. BK, because I want to create a very dark shadow. To blend. Did I told you that once I will reach 100,000 subscribers, I will do a crazy reveal? Which one? Counting my hair reveal. A very important thing for this beauty community, I know. I will count them one by one. These are not extensions, are my real hair and they are very long. I will always do crazy things every time my channel will reach goals, so you have to subscribe right now. Now my favorite eyeliner of the moment. by Sephora. Moment of silence, eyeliner. It's not easy to record a tutorial because you need the perfect mirror in the perfect position and you have to be focused on camera. I actually don't use any camera. I will link down below what I use. There is always a chance to do mistakes, but there is also the chance to fix them. It depends by our will. Let's use a diagonal brush to do my lower part with Sinza. Essence lashes. This mascara is very cheap, but the brush, it's perfect for what I need. Always remember for the lower lashes to use a very small, precise brush. I don't know if you realize that I am actually wearing, first time in my life, colored lenses. But I actually don't feel them. They are very big and purple outside. I was very scared at first. And I say to myself, oh Jesus, I stay 1 hour to do one eye. I will cry as crazy. And it's not like this. Why don't you comment down below which one is your favorite eyeshadows palette ever? Okay, time to apply falsies. Ciao, blenders. And if you didn't yet, blend like now. I'm going to use Night Mood from MAC and this Kiko matte lipstick with my name on it in the shade Velvet Passion. First time ever I use this one. If you want to see my full collection, let me know commenting down below. As you can see, I am a real makeup lover, so this is Soft and Gentle by MAC. We are going to glow everywhere. A little bit here on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead. Let's shine here too. To minimize a little bit my shining, I'm going to blend with the blush brush. And here we are. This is the final look. And like now, I am really into sparkles and glitter. Give me some sparkles and I will be happy. Don't you miss my latest Sephora haul here and the makeup tutorial with the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette here. The third eye sends me some lenses in a very nice holographic packaging and they do not hurt. I tried them without makeup before and applying my makeup. And it's really incredible. They don't hurt. I cannot feel them and I am not used to. It's the first time ever. I hope you can see the result. You will find the link with an affiliate code in the description box. The power of makeup will give me the capability to count my hair one by one, like a superhero from Italian Lucia Sinatra. Ciao, ciao, ciao!
one else around you, awaken your mind, and you are who you really are till the end of time. Now that all has a piece of soul, you can touch your life. Your heart wanting to be more, and oh, it's hard to repeat the road you rode, but I'm at the door. Maybe you almost lose the way, show your feelings now. Don't you wanna listen to the voices of my so many things to say. I just thank my Lord for the goodness in our life and for every moment.